Hello YouTube, this is Boomboy96. I just want to show you this new thing I got. New Zippo. Well, cheap imitation of a Zippo. Went down to London today, bought it. £6 this cost me. As you can see, not a real Zippo. No full on detailing of it. But it's a lighter. And it works. Yeah, I still can't do that. Yeah, it's like a raised up Union Jack, chrome polished. Cheap shit, really. It's nice. It's just, I'm a collector. I collect them now. It's easy for me. Cheap. Well, cheap for the imitations. So that was this one, and we'll move on to the next one in a few minutes. See you later.